Alright, guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Everest FX, and today I will be analyzing DXY. Now, let's start from the weekly time frame so that we are going to understand the market well. So, we can see that DXY is bullish and DXY is approaching a major supply level. You can see this inverted hammer here. So, look at this. Now, we're expecting this market to come up probably today and tomorrow to this zone and then maybe do something like this before it continue buying. So, probably this week we're expecting a buy to sell in the market. And I think let's check the daily time frame for more observation on the markets, and so in case we find anything. Okay, I didn't find anything. You should have it in mind that this is dollar index. So let's go down to 4 hours and see. All right, you can see that um there was a break of structure here, BOS, and we're expecting this market to buy up to this zone, then we trace down to this breaker block here. Probably all the markets can still go lower, so down to this place, retrace down before it continue buying. So you should have it in mind that the dollar index is going to be bullish. So probably in the next 3 days, the market might be bullish for the dollar index, and before we'll be expecting a sell. So now, since we know what the dollar is going to be doing for this week, let's go to Euro USD first. Okay, this Euro USD on a weekly time frame, and we can see that Euro USD on daily time frame, this is another block here, but on this weekly it's just a fair value gap. So now we can see now that Euro USD just is bearish and it just break this place. You should know that if the dollar index is going up, Euro USD should be coming down because of the USD attached to the euros. So we can also see that Euro USD is approaching this demand level, and we should also have it in the back of our mind that you see this here, this is a hammer. So there's high probability that this market will sell today, tomorrow, maybe probably next to here, maybe, or down to this hammer, and then we're expecting a buy. I hope you understand. The markets have been bullish since the last 4 weeks. So let's go down to the daily time frame so that you can still see more insights on the market. So the market was bullish initially and now it's bearish. Now we had a break of structure here, and this was also a major zone, a major demand zone, and the markets have just broken it, retrace, and now it's still pushing down. So that's to tell you that this week the markets might still be selling this week, sell to buy. So it will sell to an extent, and then we will be expecting a buy on the market. So last week there was NFP, and the NFP was bearish on Euro USD and GBP and gold also, based on the results of the news. So this is 4 hour. We're expecting this market to do this. I hope you understand. So probably we're expecting this. Then we can enter from this zone or another major zone to continue selling. So that's it for Euro USD. Now let's go to GBP USD. We'll start with the monthly or weekly chart. Okay, let's start with the monthly chart. This is a monthly chart on GBP USD. Okay, so we can see that the market is bearish here. On the monthly time frame, the market have broken this place and it went up to react to this zone. Right now the market is making its correction back to come down. So let's go down to the weekly. You should just observe something. Since USD is going up to sell, then you should know that GBP USD, Euro USD is coming down to buy. Do you understand? This is USD going up. It's USD is buying to sell, buying to sell. Then GBP and Euro USD is now selling to buy for this week. So if eventually the USD was it was not buying, it's selling to maybe buy, then you should know that GBP and Euro USD will be buying to sell, including AUD USD. I hope you understand. So it's just a very simple way to make a top-down analysis for the week. So okay, now we are on the weekly chart and we can see that GBP USD is currently on a particular zone where from the look of things it's going to break that zone, because if you look at that market very well, with the type of momentum that this market pushed down last week, you can see last week it was a complete bearish candle, and this week it has started to form another bearish candle. So we should know that this might be something like this. From this zone, it might just do something like this, react, and maybe come down to this red zone. Just have it at the back of your mind that any zone you see me draw like this is a demand or a supply level. Mostly I draw them using the line charts. I change my charts first to the line charts and then I draw them, because at this place now there are no wicks here. You can see the markets perfectly. So let's come back to what we're talking about, and you can see that this is also a hammer here, a very big hammer on the weekly time frame, though it's not a perfect one, but it looked like a hammer. And the long wick rejection is already telling us that okay, from this zone the market might react. And you can see that from all these points, from this point, the markets made a little reaction. Look at this place again. This one came and reacted to this. So if this market is to take this as liquidity, then you know that if this place is going down, then the market will definitely come to the zone to make a good reaction and bounce up, maybe to any other supply level to sell. So let's go down to our daily charts now. This is our daily charts on GBP USD. So the market was bullish. You can see the market was bullish, and now it's break this place, and now it's bearish, and now we are still pushing lower. So it has broken another zone. So from here we're still expecting this market to make a little reaction here, and after reacting we're expecting it to push lower. So I think that is all. And I'm not going to make an analysis on AUD USD because I don't trade AUD USD. Probably I only just look out for gold. Is a daily chart on gold. Let's go straight to 4 hour, because if you go to a weekly time frame you won't find a lot of things. So that's why I just go to a daily chart and then to a 4 hour. Okay. So maybe I should probably just stop here. Euro USD and GBP USD only. You should have it at the back of your mind that the XY, the dollar index, is going to be bullish. So it's like a buy to sell thing. And the Euro USD and GBP USD will be bearish. That's like a sell to buy. So take care of yourself and have a very beautiful week. Thank you. Bye.